Here we go, Hobbybox604 back with another group break. This is group break number 398. 3 boxes of SP Authentic Multi-Year. Here are the spot holders. Ernie has Calgary, Tampa, Minnesota, and San Jose. Walt G has LA, Scat has Philly, Ernie has St. Louis, Walt G has Vancouver, Timmy H1 has Florida, Timmy H2 has Chicago, Andy Y has Anaheim, Rocky C has Dallas, Ernie D has Columbus, Ricky M has Boston, Walt G has Edmonton, Timmy H1 has Colorado, Julie has Pittsburgh, Ricky M has Nashville, Walt G has Detroit, Ernie D has New Jersey, as well as Toronto, Sean T has Montreal, Rocky C has Buffalo, Andy Y has Carolina, Timmy H2 has Winnipeg, Ricky M has New York Rangers, Scat has Ottawa, Timmy H2 has Washington, and Ernie has New York Islanders, and Walt got the Phoenix Coyotes as his free team. So there you go, boys and girls. Good luck. Let's hit some mojo here. So the 3 packs that are going in here are right here. Let's go with OPC 1011 OPC, part of the promo we did tonight. And it's got a rookie of Brandon Yip for the Colorado Avalanche. And for the Maple Leafs, a black parallel, number 71 of 100, Chris Versteeg. For the Toronto Maple Leafs, Chris Versteeg. And Brandon Gormley, young gun, for the Phoenix Coyotes, the free team. Got a hit. Artifacts pack has Patrice Cormier, number 144 of 299 for the Winnipeg Jets. Patrice Cormier for the Jets. Okay, let's go with our 11-12 box. Number 256 is the box number. Pack 1. We start with an all base pack. Another all base pack. More base pack. Yeah, Series 2, there is a little bit more available. Again, somehow it got re-released base. So I'll be having Series 2 soon, but SP Authentic, impossible to find. Our first one goes to Chicago. Marcus Kruger, rookie holo effects for the Blackhawks. Our second one is for Ottawa. Rookie holo effects, Mika Zibanejad. Our first Future Watch autograph goes to Nashville. Blake Geoffrion, number 46 of 999 for the Nashville Predators. Blake Geoffrion. Our next one is a nice hit. Rookie autograph, sign of the times for the Winnipeg Jets, Mark Scheifele. It's got a ding on the bottom, unfortunately, but that is definitely a good hit for the Jets. Got a little ding on the bottom there. I don't know if you can see it or not. Same with the camera. Just a little ding on the bottom. Mark Scheifele for the Jets. Wow, we got all our hits back to back. Detroit Red Wings, sign of the times, Corey Emerton. Corey Emerton, sign of the times for the Red Wings. So I guess we got all our hits in 3 packs. Hopefully we get a bonus. Ooh, we got a die cut red. Nice. Rookie Holo Effects die cut for the Chicago Blackhawks. Brandon Saad. Very hard to get these ones. Brandon Saad Rookie Holo Effects die cut for the Blackhawks. Oh, I gotta have a lot of base packs now. Yep. Wish they mixed them up a little bit. Okay, last pile. For the Chicago Blackhawks, Future Watch, non-auto to $9.99. Jimmy Hayes. $6.99 of $9.99. Jimmy Hayes. Thought we have a bonus Future Watch. SB Essentials for the New Jersey Devils, Zach Parise. Come on, give us one bonus auto. Nope. For the Washington Capitals, SB Essentials, Evgeny Malkin. What am I talking about? Alex Ovechkin. For the Capitals. Was looking at that Malkin autograph picture on the wall. And no bonus auto for us, unfortunately. Okay, we go with our 12-13 SBA, box number 280. 280. Empty. Come on, 12-13, deliver. We start with authentic moments for the Quebec Nordiques. That goes to Colorado, Sakic and Forsberg. We have MVP rookie for the Nashville Predators, Chet Pickard. Or Chet Pickard. Authentic moments for the Oilers, Taylor Hall. Authentic moments for the Whalers goes to Carolina, Ron Francis. Retro Maple Leafs, UC Arenas. Guess we're gonna have the same thing. Get all our hits together. For the Colorado Avalanche, rookie. Rookie SPX. Retro Tyson Berry. Our first Future Watch is for the Colorado Avalanche, number 811 of 999. Tyson Berry. It will pick up. It will pick up. That was a Clarkson update. Team Canada moments. This is Eberle and Subban between Edmonton and Montreal. Tyson Berry again. Tyson Berry hot box. You can PC Tyson Berry now. 3 of his cards MVP. Tyson Berry for the Avs. And sign of the times. Team Canada, Cam Ward for the Carolina Hurricanes. Cam Ward for the Hurricanes. And for the Ottawa Senators, number 528 of 999. Future Watch, Jacob Silverberg. Again, we got all our autos back to back, and now we got the base packs. For the Avalanche, Matt Duchene, retro. Hoping this box has a bonus. For the Oilers, Grand Fuhrer retro. Authentic moments for the LA Kings, Jonathan Quick. Pavel Datsyuk update. Our last pile. For the Montreal Canadiens, Guy Lafleur retro. UD exclusive, Nick Foligno, 89 of 100 for the Columbus Blue Jackets. Brandon Dubinsky update. Team Canada moments, Jeff Skinner for the Carolina Hurricanes. Retro, Bobby Orr for the Boston Bruins. Authentic moments, Wayne Gretzky for the LA Kings. Update, Patrice Bergeron. And the last pack of this stinky box is that Cody Hodgson? No, Jordan Eberle, Team Canada moments for the Oilers. Ay, ay, ay. Come on, come on. Hopefully 14-15 will pick up. It is box number 51. Come on, 51. Empty box there. Okay, pack 1. 14-15 SBA. Let's do this. We start with a moments of Derek Stepan, Rick Nash for the Rangers. For the Rangers again, Marty St. Louis. Update, Smith Pelly. For the Edmonton Oilers, Future Watch to 9.99, Bogdan Yakimov. We have a sign of the times, 13-14. Mikhail Grigorenko for the Buffalo Sabres. And a Yuri Sikach Premier Prospect for the Habs. Young Guns for the Anaheim Ducks, Jesse Blacker. For the Anaheim Ducks, Timo Solani. And Bobby Orr for the Bruins. We have our first Future Watch autograph for the New Jersey Devils, Damian Severson. Future Watch for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Christopher Gibson. We have Future Watch Gold to 25 for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Bobby Farnham, 3 of 25. And for the Panthers, Roberto Luongo. Halfway there of our last box. Update Tyler Myers. All-Star Moments. Another random. Mike Bossy and Wayne Gretzky, Edmonton and the Islanders. Premier Prospect for the Islanders, Griffin Reinhart. Still need 2 autos from here. And Stevie Yzerman for the Detroit Red Wings. We have a redemption. Hopefully it's a good one. And it is Future Watch autograph to $9.99 for the Vancouver Canucks, Bo Horvat.
2 outs with a 3-2 count and a no-hitter on the line.
There you go. Bo Horvat for the Canucks. And the Canucks is Walt G. Let's make a deal, Walt. For the Red Wings, Pavel Datsyuk. For the Rangers, Rick Nash. 3 packs left. And it is for the Anaheim Ducks, Future Watch, William Karlsson.
If you didn't know who was IR before, you know it.
Update. And the last pack. Come on, hit us something. Hit us something. Future Watch of the Wrong Goudreau for the San Jose Sharks to $9.99. Wow. That was pretty weak. Pretty weak. We got the randoms to do here for these two, and we'll just do a manual random on that one, and we'll be back shortly.